I just thought an iced chai latte would go good with today's video, you know? Hello guys, it's Allanna here. Today I will be answering some questions that you guys left me on my previous video, as well as questions that just have been left on some of my videos in the past that I haven't answered yet. And I wanted to answer those because I always feel bad when I don't respond or reply to a comment that was left on my video, because it's just like in person if someone came up to you and said something or gave you a compliment and you didn't say anything and just walked away. Like, that's kind of the same thing, you know, or at least that's the way I see it. So that is why I always try responding to every comment that is left on my video. So I will be answering the questions you guys gave me. And today is also a little collab with one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Dirra, but she goes by Exenly here on YouTube. That is the name of her channel. There is a link in my description to her channel, so definitely go and check her out and subscribe to her channel. She is a really cool and funny person. I really enjoy watching her videos, and I really think you guys would enjoy watching them too. So with that said, be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe and join the family if you have not already. And one thing before we get started is, since I am answering y'all's questions that y'all asked me, I have a question for y'all, and that is, since I always say that you are a part of the family once you have subscribed, I want to come up with a name for our little family here. So if you have any ideas for our family name, comment them down below. So that is my question to you guys. And once you have joined the family, turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. And once you have done that, comment done down below for a post notification shout out in one of my videos. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So our first question will be from Dirra. She left a comment and said on my previous video, which was a Forever 21 and Charlotte Russe summer haul. So she said, the headband is so adorable and the gold necklace is really pretty. Thank you. And then she said, I need new sunglasses. Check out Forever 21, they've definitely got some really affordable and cute ones. Question for you, what's your favorite color? That would be purple, but not like a dark purple. I would say it'd have to be like a pastel lavender purple, kind of like the purple of my top. Honestly, yeah, this purple. What's your favorite clothing store? Gosh, I love clothes so much, that's hard to choose. I really like Forever 21 because they're definitely way more affordable, but I also really like a lot of Urban Outfitters stuff. I rarely have ever gotten anything from there because they are more pricey. And then one that I've never ordered from them, but I love their clothes, like so many things I see I absolutely love, but also Tiger Mist. What do you do during your spare time? Honestly, my number one choice would be filming or editing a new video, and if I'm not doing that, I'm either watching YouTube videos or I go and work out. If you could visit one place in the whole world and stay there, where would it be? Honestly, I would say LA, because that's where I eventually want to end up someday. The next one was left by Dooney Gold, and this was actually on my starting my YouTube channel video that she left this. She said, hey beautiful, you have had your channel for so long, I must say. I love YouTube so much. Saying it is a passion of mine is an understatement. YouTube can be hard. It definitely can. I am trying my best. I want to post videos every day, but my work. Girl, don't worry, just work really hard and you can do it. I want to improve on my audio and lighting. I need some recommendations. I turned on the notification bell, girl. I am here to support you all the way. Thank you so much for the support, and I'm glad you're part of the family now. Please let me know where you get that song at the end. Also let me know where I can get cool songs. First off, recommendations for improving your audio and lighting. I use an external microphone on my camera. It is by the brand Rode, R-O-D-E. As far as lighting, I use a ring light. You can pretty much get them off of Amazon. And then as far as the song at the end of my videos, you won't find that anywhere because I actually made that song myself because I wanted something that I could constantly use and not have to worry about getting copyrighted for it. So sorry about that, but thank you for being interested in the song. And then as far as getting cool songs, YouTube honestly has a lot of interesting songs in their own library that are copyright free, so you will never have to worry about that. So I suggest you check some of those out. Our next question is from Patricia Snow, and I'm pretty sure she left this one on my video about the music video that I produced. And she said, what you did is so cool. Your production skills are amazing. Honestly, thank you so much, and a lot of you guys left so many nice comments on that video, and just I want you guys to know how much I appreciate those comments and y'all's feedback, especially on a project that big that I did. And then she says, for your YouTube vids, what camera do you use? Love your video quality. Thank you, but I use the Canon EOS Rebel T6i. This thing is my love right here. I love it so much. Highly recommend it. It has a flip out screen, so yes, I can see myself. Then from my girl Karen, I love her so much. She left this comment on my previous video. She says, I loved the little intro. It was really well done. Thank you. I actually was trying really hard to be creative with that, especially with the location that I was filming in. What program do you use to edit your videos? I use Adobe Premiere Pro, and it is definitely on the more advanced side as far as editing softwares. It is by far an amazing program. It does cost some money, but it is 100% worth it if you are really serious about your editing. And just a little fact for you guys, Adobe Premiere Pro has actually been used to edit several notable movies. Some of them include Gone Girl, and a more recent one, Deadpool, which was actually, those two movies were actually edited using Adobe Premiere Pro, so that gives you an idea right there of how good of a software it is. And that's not the reason why I chose this software. It's actually because in my audio and video production class I was taking at school, that's how we learned how to edit, was on that program, so that is why I use it. Second question is, I know you do photography and videography, but which do you enjoy more? I'm gonna have to go with videography just because I was into that first, and I honestly can get more creative with it, and mainly because of my channel. I've had my channel way before I actually started photography, and I honestly have so much fun with it. What is/are one or a couple of your favorite go-to outfits when you're on the go? When I'm on the go and I really don't have time to put together an outfit, I go for rompers and jumpsuits because that's a top and bottom all together and you're good to go. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? Or where would you like to see yourself in 10 years? Honestly, I would have completed college by then, and I would really like to see myself living in LA, and hopefully my channel has gone somewhere by then. Our final comment/question that we have is from Kira May, and she commented this one also on my video about the music video, and she said, I would love to be able to do this one day. I have to say, you definitely can. If there's a dream you have, set your mind to it and don't give up on it. Be determined. Don't let anything stop you from getting there, and you can do anything you set your mind to. Then her question is, was the overall production expensive? Believe it or not, for the production of the music video, it costed me $0. Between my friends and family that were actors and extras, I didn't have to, there was no cost for that. Then for all the props, I either gathered them myself. As far as bigger props, like the caps and gowns that I used in the video, that was actually one of my cousins. She's a principal at a school, so she was able to get a hold of some caps and gowns for me. So also didn't have to pay for that either. And then as far as the editing and camera work, that was all myself too. And the guy that contacted me to do the music video for Mark, actually his wife was the one who got me access to a school as well. Honestly, it just really pays to know people, so yeah, costed me $0. Then she also asked the same question, and what editing software do you use? That's Adobe Premiere Pro. That is it for today's video, guys. I had a lot of fun answering y'all's questions. Don't forget to comment down below any ideas you have for our family name. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe and join the family if you have not already, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. And once you have done that, comment down below for a post notification shout out. Today's shout out is actually a comment shout out. She left a really nice comment on my music video, behind the scenes video, and her name is Just Chill My Dog. That's her channel name. So thank you for the really nice comment that you left there. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.